Hey guys, it's Alex with Green Tree Media. Today I wanted to do a demo and showcase a brand new plugin I created for Divi called Divi Upload Icons. And it's a little bit different. Actually, it's very different from my previous plugins regarding Divi Icons, Divi Icon King and Divi Font Awesome. Both of those plugins which allowed you to introduce very specific icon sets into the Divi environment to use in your projects. And what I realized was it's good to have more icons, it's good to have options, but we don't really necessarily need more icons. We need to have the right icons, and after about a year of going through all the plugins, or I'm sorry, all the icons in both of those plugins, it seems like sometimes you don't need all those plugins. You want the right plugins for the right job, I guess, if that makes sense. So Divi Upload Icons allows you to upload pretty much any web font icon set into the Divi environment and then use it both in the standard Divi builder on the back end, but also the visual builder on the front end. And it does include some search filters and functions to help you find the right icon, and we'll go into that in just a minute. So when you first activate and install and activate the plugin, it'll show up in your WordPress dashboard under your plugins just like normal. And you've got a couple options here. The support tab will take you to a forum on one of my websites where if you ever run into any problems, if you have any questions, if you come across another third-party plugin that isn't playing nice with Divi Upload Icons for whatever reason, shoot me a message. Let me know about it. I try to make my plugin as compatible with as many third-party developer plugins as possible, but new ones are being created all the time, so I will do my best to make it compatible or reach out to the other developer of the other plugin to see what we need to do to work together. And then the only other option that's going to be important to you is the settings, and this is where you can upload your own icon sets into Divi Upload Icons. And it's pretty straightforward. You've got your uploader. It's a drag and drop uploader, or you can just click on it and it will give you the option to browse your files and everything. I've got a couple icon sets I've already downloaded, and I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to upload them. So for one, I've got this Linea icon set. It's a very nice icon set. Let me minimize these so you can kind of see them all, what it comes with. A bunch of different types, but let's say we wanted to upload just these arrow icons. Under fonts, it gives you a couple different files, and really these are the files that we need. You need your CSS file and you need your other font files, and the accepted file formats are EOT, SVG, TFF, WOFF, and WOFF2, and that gets listed here for the instructions if you ever can't remember which ones you need to upload. These are the only file formats that this form will accept and they'll upload. The other thing that you need to know is that they all need to share the same name. So you'll notice all these are Linea-arrows-10. By default, the CSS on most icon fonts that you'll download is called style.css. And so what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and rename that so that it matches. It's extremely, extremely important that they match. The file name is how the system knows which fonts to match up with which icons. And if they're not the same, your icon fonts will not work. So let's just do an example here. I'm going to go ahead and upload this. I'm going to upload the style sheet. You can upload them all at once if you want, drag them all, which I'll do here in a second, but I want to show you something. So I've just uploaded only the style sheet. I didn't upload any of these font files, and you'll notice that there's this icon now here. It says this icon set is missing font files such as EOT, SVG, TFF, etc., and won't work until some are uploaded. So I've got this uploaded, but it's telling me I can't use it now, or can't use it yet. So let me jump over here to our website, and I'm just going to reload this. I'm in the visual builder, and this is just a very unpretty basic example I've put together to kind of illustrate how the plugin works. So even though I've uploaded that, but I didn't upload any fonts yet, if I come over here and I click on image and icon, you'll notice that I still only have my elegant icons here, my elegant themes icons, and even in the filter box, the only option is elegant themes all enclosed. So it's uploaded, but we can't use it yet because we don't have the font files that go with it. So now I'm just going to grab all these and drag them up here, and this is going to upload. And you'll see that that icon has gone away now on there. So now we're ready to go. We have 136 additional icons we can use in the Divi builder or the visual builder. So if I come back over here and I refresh my page, you will see here that if I go to edit this now, and I'll bring it over here so we can see it, you'll see that in our list we've got our elegant themes icons, and now we've got our additional arrow ones that we just uploaded. These are all the new icon set. And of course in our filter functions now we've got our arrows, so we can see just the elegant themes, we can see just the arrows, we can start searching for things like what's this one called here, switch vertical. So if I just type in switch, now these two have both switches in their name, and if I mouse over you can see that that's the case. So now these icons are available to us, and they're available not just in the blurbs which we're looking at here, but we can set them in buttons, we can set them in our overlays, and just to kind of illustrate that point further, let's add a couple more ones in here. I like this this other basic outline set, and I'm just going to go ahead. For this one, I'm going to not upload the CSS. I'm just going to upload the files, the font files, and I'll show you. It's got an icon, but now it's got a different icon once these are done uploading. This icon set is missing a CSS file and won't work until one is uploaded. So now we have these up here, but it's not going to let us use them in the front end until we get that CSS file for that. And again, they all have the same name. I'm going to upload this. Our icon's gone away. Now we have another 266 icons total uploaded, which we can see. I'll go ahead and save this and reload it. And let's go ahead and change this overlay, because this is a pretty common one people use in Divi. It's a dead giveaway of Divi sites if they have a gallery and it's got the little magnifying glass over it. It's what a lot of people use. Overlay. Here's our icon picker here, and we'll scroll down and we'll see that we have, of course, our arrows as before, but now we've got all these other outlined icons which come from that basic outline set that I just uploaded. And again, if I click on filter icons, we've got our basic set in here now too. And there's one in here, I like this one a lot. I think it looks pretty cool. So now we've got that available to us. And you can upload as many icon fonts as you want. Again, right now I'm only working with 266 on top of the 360 or so, 379 I think that come with Divi out of the box. And this will support, you know, as many as we want, and it works in buttons here too. And actually, while we're at it, let's upload another one. Let's upload, I like this e-commerce. You know, let's totally switch it up. Let's do another one. I've got this map icons here, and it's got a CSS file, an EOT, SVG, TTF, and WOF. I'm going to upload these guys, because these map icon ones are pretty cool. So now we've got another 441 icons we're working with total between all these icon sets we've uploaded. So let's go ahead and refresh this page. And we'll swap this guy out for a cool map icon maybe. Let's see what's in this one. My map icons, here we go. We got a lot of cool icons, a lot of the stuff that you'll kind of see maybe in Google Maps and stuff. Hospital. What about, here's a parking one. Maybe a badge or something. So yeah, so I won't go too much more into it. This video is already getting longer than I anticipated. Here's a cool guy doing some windsurfing. We'll put him in there. But it really opens up the box for what you can do with your projects. You're not now just limited to only Font Awesome or the material icon set or the Divi icons. This opens you up to, I mean, almost literally any icon set you can download, as long as it's a web font. meaning it comes with actual font files here and a CSS file. And again, they all have to share the same name for it to work. But you can also get rid of them later. You know, if you uploaded it and there's an error or something and you forgot to rename it, we can just get rid of these. See, now I've gotten rid of them. I've got no additional icons. So that's all there is to this video. I'm going to make a couple other ones demonstrating some other things, but I just wanted to showcase what you can do with this plugin. And I think you're going to be able to do a lot of cool stuff with your projects and really kind of take them to the next level. So, all right, thanks, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.